Hi, lamsoko jotorno tini onek dini pora video toka inke kija সমস্যা tomon bagi video tu mi tomani inke tini ni topic ke norok screen no nogin tongna tini tamna tu video khajana mainly tamna focus khajak forester and forest guard exam no focus khaye mo notes rok sramjak norok note down khaimano screenshot na hadi tini topic tamo soils of India tamni ke nong syllabus nai nai di soil hini kaisa topic to forester and forest guard as well. So, mo abono or topic mane forester forest guard na focus khai mane MCQ samjak very important. So, le kari changnai tini ni first question. Today's first question is which soil cover the largest area in India? So answer is alluvial soil. So this soil is present in the highest amount or highest quantity in India, covering the largest area of India. Okay, alluvial soil. Next question is black soil is also known as very important question. It is known as regur soil. Okay, so black soil, no regur soil. We know it is also called regur soil, right? And it is very suitable for growing cotton. Very important. It is very much suitable for growing cotton, black soil. Next question. Which soil is best suited for? I have already discussed about this question in the previous question. So black. It is of course the black soil. Okay, it is best suited for cultivation of cotton. Next question is the black color of black soil is mainly due to. So as the name goes as a black soil, right? So, as this soil is black, the question is why means what is the main composition of this soil due to which it appears black. So the options given are nitrogen, humus, iron, and titanium compound, and potash, right? And the correct answer is iron and titanium compound. Due to the presence of these substances or these compounds, this black soil appears black in color. Okay, black soil is mainly formed from the weathering of basaltic lava, right? Basaltic lava. Next question. Which soil is rich in potash but deficient in nitrogen? Very important question. It is again the black soil. Next question. The red color of red soil is due to the presence of course, it is iron oxide or just simply no option or just iron hini sibimbana rimano. In that case, you will have to choose iron. Okay, so it is because of the presence of iron oxide, right? The red soil appears to be red in color. Next question is red soil is mostly found in peninsular India. In peninsular India. Okay. Next question. Laterite soil is formed under which condition? So it is heavy rainfall and high temperature, right? Laterite soil are not so fertile. Why? Because in heavy rainfall, what happened? The topsoil is washed away due to erosion, as a result of which the minerals are washed away, right? As a result, it is not much fertile and not much good for growing certain kinds of plants, right? So the answer is heavy rainfall and a high temperature. Okay. Next question is the term laterite is derived from the Latin word bricks. So from the Latin word, so the Latin word is later. Okay. So this is the Latin word LATA later, from which the term laterite is derived. Okay. But the question here is about the meaning of this Latin word. So the meaning of this Latin word later is brick. Okay, so you have to remember both the terms. I mean, you have to remember both this and also the meaning. If you are asked about the meaning, the answer will be bricks. Or if you are asks about the Latin word from which the term laterite is derived, then the answer have to be later. Okay. Next question is tea, coffee, and rubber commonly grows in laterite soil. Next question. Which soil is mainly found in the river valley and deltas? Of course, it is the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil okay, river and delta समान. मरके ओजे तो यो कचक फाइने हारकटा. ठीक है. Next question. The newer alluvium deposited by rivers are called khadar. Teka tongo bhangar. After older. Next question. Okay. See, the older alluvial soil is also known as bhangar. So you have to remember this, very important. Next question. Which soil has the highest water retaining capacity? It is black soil, of course. The black soil has the highest water retaining capacity. It is made of fine particles called a clay, due to which it have more water holding capacity. Next question. The self-plowing property is associated with black soil. Next question. Which soil develop deep cracks during summer? Black soil. Next question. Desert soil is mainly found in, of course, it is in Rajasthan. Desert soil is generally rich in phosphates. Next question. Which soil is highly acidic due to intense leaching? It is laterite soil. As I have already told you, these laterite soil are formed under the condition of heavy rainfall and high temperature. Due to heavy rainfall, what happened? One thing is the topsoil get washed away, and the remaining minerals it got leached downward, right? So it is the answer is laterite soil. Leaching means moving down of the minerals and nutrients downward into the soil. Saline and alkaline soils are also called ray or usher, right? Next question. Saline soil can be reclaimed by adding tama, it is gypsum. Next question. Which soil contains the highest proportion of organic matter? It is peaty soil, organic matter. Peaty soil are mainly found in which state? It is in Kerala. Mountain soil are highly rich in mountain soil. In mountain, we all know that mountains have forest, and from the forest, leaves and branches litters off, eventually resulting in the formation of humus. Right? So the answer is humus. Mountain soil are generally rich in humus. Which soil is ideal for wheat cultivation? Moka alluvial soil. Next question. Which of the following soil is generally deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus and humus? It is red soil. Red soil is rich in iron but deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus and humus. Which type of soil is most suitable for cereals? Answer is alluvial soil. Next question. Arrange the following soil in decreasing order of the area it covers, right? In decreasing order. So the highest area is covered by alluvial soil, we know this. And say, okay, let's see the answer. It is given 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is already in the sequence. So the soil covering the highest area of the largest area in India is alluvial soil. Second largest area covering soil is red soil. The third is black soil, and the last is the laterite soil. Right? So the sequence, the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the proper sequence in decreasing order of the area covered by soil in India. The first is alluvial soil covering the largest area of India. Okay, for today, the last question. Which organization classifies Indian soil into 8 major categories? Answer is ICAR. So, the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, have classified Indian soil into 8 categories. Otherwise, basically, it is classified into 6 categories. Okay, ICAR 8. Generally, It is classified into six categories. ठीक है? Where we have alluvial soil, we have forest soil, we have black soil, we have laterite soil, we have red and yellow soil, and also arid soil. So these are the general classification of the soil, of which I have made some MCQs, very important. Uh, these MCQs mostly have come in the competitive exams like SSCs. These are the compilations. So generally, soil is classified into six types, but as per the ICAR or ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research, has classified it into eight main categories, right? So more tinin bagay sung no. See you in the next video. Thank you.